What is cognition? Cognitive functioning encompasses a wide range of mental activities, including comprehending information, recalling information, resolving issues, making choices, and concentration. The basics of cognition. Cognition is the mental process of acquiring knowledge and understanding through thought, experience, and the senses. It involves the input and storage of information, guiding behavior, and making decisions. Cognitive functioning is critical for day-to-day life, governing thoughts and actions. It helps us understand the world and interact safely with our environment, distilling complex sensory information into essentials. The role of cognition. The brain, with over 100 billion nerve cells, is a complex organ that controls thoughts and behaviors. It is regulated by neurotransmitter systems, including dopamine, noradrenaline, serotonin, acetylcholine, glutamate, and GABA. Understanding cognition and the underlying neurobiology is crucial for understanding behaviors in both healthy and disease states. Different cognitive functions arise from processes within specific brain parts, but only some of these enter conscious awareness. Normal cognitive aging. As we age, the brain shrinks, the number of synapses and neurotransmitter synapses decrease, leading to cognitive deficits in memory, processing speed, cognitive flexibility, attention, and executive functions. The rate of brain aging varies significantly, but the aged brain can change and slows down cognitive decline. There are things to take to slow down this process. Mild cognitive impairment. Mild cognitive impairment, MCI, is a mild but noticeable cognitive function impairment that doesn't affect daily activities, such as disorientation or forgetting conversations. Individuals with MCI are generally at a higher risk of developing dementia. Types of cognitive impairment. The declining impairment of cognitive function of brain is generally referred to as dementia. Dementia leads to severe cognitive decline, including memory, language, and problem-solving abilities, that significantly impacts daily life. There are two types of dementia: Alzheimer's disease, which is the most common form in older individuals aged 65 and older, and vascular dementia, which results from blockage or leakage of arteries due to cardiovascular disease. Signs and symptoms of dementia. Alzheimer's disease. The symptoms of Alzheimer's disease can vary and include memory loss, poor judgment, confusion, difficulty speaking, reading, writing, wandering, trouble handling money, repeating questions, using unusual words, taking longer to complete tasks, losing interest in activities, hallucinations, paranoia, impulsivity, not caring about others' feelings, and balance issues. These symptoms can lead to difficulty in daily tasks, misunderstandings, and difficulty with movement. It's important to see a doctor for a professional evaluation. Early diagnosis allows for maximum benefit from treatments, participation in clinical trials, and time to plan for the future. Causes of dementia. Dementia is a brain disorder characterized by damage to brain cells, affecting communication and thinking. It affects various brain regions, including the hippocampus, which is responsible for memory and learning. Memory loss is a common symptom of Alzheimer's. While most brain changes cause dementia, some conditions, such as depression, medication side effects, alcohol use, thyroid problems, and vitamin deficiencies, can also contribute towards declining cognitive function. Understanding Alzheimer's and dementia is crucial for managing the condition. How to diagnose dementia. Dementia can be diagnosed through cognitive and neurological tests, brain scans, psychiatric evaluations, genetic tests, cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, tests, and blood tests. Cognitive tests evaluate thinking and physical functioning, while brain scans identify brain problems and changes in brain structure. Psychiatric evaluations help determine if depression or other mental health conditions are contributing to symptoms. Genetic tests can help identify altered genes in rare cases, but genetic variations cannot be used to diagnose dementia. Cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, tests measure protein levels and may help diagnose Alzheimer's or other dementia types. Blood tests measure beta-amyloid levels, which accumulate abnormally in Alzheimer's patients. However, blood test results alone should not be used to diagnose dementia, but may be considered alongside other tests. Triggering factors for age-related loss in cognitive function. Overeating, obesity, high-fat diets, poor early life diets, and adversity can trigger inflammatory responses in peripheral and central immune cells, impacting the blood-brain interface and regulating satiety. These pro-inflammatory molecules can signal immune cells, leading to impaired functioning and memory impairments. A positive early life environment with polyunsaturated fatty acids, polyphenolics, and minimal stress can prevent these negative outcomes. Poor diet during pregnancy and postnatal life can lead to metabolic and central functions issues, including cognitive impairments and accelerated brain aging. Maternal gestational diabetes and junk food can cause obesity in offspring and alter reward processing. Early introduction of solid food and high consumption of fatty foods can accelerate weight gain and long-term metabolic complications. However, dietary supplements can positively influence cognition, such as baby formula with omega-3 PUFA. Role of microglia. Microglia, a crucial immune cell in the brain, plays a vital role in synaptic pruning and pro-inflammatory immune response. However, excessive activation can lead to cognitive dysfunction and reduce synaptic plasticity, affecting learning effectiveness. 15 vitamins, minerals and compounds that boost brain health and have positive impact on cognitive function. Thiamine vitamin B1. Thiamine, also known as a mineral vitamin, enhances concentration and memory, positively impacting attitude and brain function. Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome is a brain disorder caused by thiamine deficiency, resulting from nerve damage in the central and peripheral nervous systems. It is often caused by malnutrition from alcoholism. Korsakoff syndrome is characterized by memory problems and nerve damage, with high thiamine doses improving muscle coordination. B1 is commonly found in wheat germ, legumes, beef, organ meats, pork, poultry, whole grain cereals, nuts, bran, potatoes, brewer's yeast, blackstrap molasses, and rice. Riboflavin vitamin B2. Vitamin B2, a water-soluble vitamin, is essential for daily consumption due to its rapid depletion due to the body's limited storage capacity. Riboflavin is studied as a prophylactic therapy to prevent migraines by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation of nerves, which contribute to migraine headaches. Vitamin B2 sources include fish, meat, poultry, eggs, dairy products, asparagus, artichokes, avocados, cayenne, currants, fortified cereals, kelp, legumes, mushrooms, nuts, parsley, potatoes, cruciferous vegetables, whole grain breads, and yeast extract. Folic acid. Folate deficiency, a neurologic condition like vitamin B12 deficiency, can lead to cognitive impairment, dementia, depression, peripheral neuropathy, and subacute combined spinal cord degeneration. Decreases maternal folate intake, especially during first trimester, can increase the likelihood of neural tube defects during fetal development. Folate is a vital nutrient found in dark green leafy vegetables, beans, peanuts, sunflower seeds, fresh fruits, whole grains, liver, aquatic foods, eggs, and fortified foods and supplements. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, a crucial water-soluble vitamin, can cause neurologic and hematologic disorders if deficient, leading to cognitive impairment and subacute combined spinal cord degeneration. Vitamin B12 deficiency has been linked to memory loss, particularly in older adults. Low vitamin B12 levels are linked to neurological disorders, as it improves brain function through homocysteine synthesis. It also aids in protein structure and neurotransmitter synthesis. Consuming the entire B vitamin group, including vitamin B12, is crucial for brain health, cognitive development, information processing, and nervous system wellness. Vitamin B12 sources include fish, shellfish, liver, red meat, eggs, poultry, dairy products like milk, cheese, yogurt, fortified nutritional yeast, fortified breakfast cereals, and enriched soy or rice milk. Vitamin D, when upregulated, can improve neuroprotection by enhancing axonogenesis and sensory neural response in peripheral nerves, and aiding in electrophysiological recovery. A study of 427,000 white European participants found a 54% higher risk of dementia among those with low vitamin D blood levels compared to those with adequate levels. Vitamin D is found in cod liver oil, salmon, swordfish, tuna fish, orange juice, dairy and plant milks, sardines, beef liver, egg yolk, and fortified cereals. Long-chain omega-3 fatty acids. Essential fatty acids are polyunsaturated fatty acids, PUFA, that are essential for cell structure and inflammation. They come from the diet and are divided into omega-6 and omega-3 PUFAs. DHA, a long-chain omega-3 PUFA, is particularly beneficial for nerve cell function, maintaining membrane fluidity and generating neuroprotective compounds. Fish oil, rich in EPA and DHA, can reduce vascular risk factors associated with cognitive decline, benefiting cardiovascular and brain health. Seaweed, flax seeds, chia seeds, and fatty fish are food sources of omega-3, with mackerel, salmon, and sardines being the highest in omega-3 fish. Coenzyme Q10. CoQ10 supplementation is commonly utilized to treat various diseases such as aging, stroke, neuromuscular disorders, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, progressive supranuclear palsy, autosomal recessive cerebellar ataxias, Huntington's disease, and amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. CoQ10, a potent antioxidant, prevents neural tissue damage from oxidative stress and reduces pro-inflammatory factors, thus attenuating neuropathic pain behavior. Clinical trials have confirmed the beneficial properties of CoQ10 in treating depression and neurodegenerative diseases. CoQ10 supplementation has been shown to enhance learning and memory deficits in older individuals influenced by diabetes. CoQ10 is primarily sourced from oily fish, organ meats, and whole grains, and while most people obtain sufficient amounts through a balanced diet, supplementation may be beneficial for specific health conditions. Choline. Choline is a crucial nutrient in cell membranes, influencing neurotransmitter production, fatty acid transport, and metabolism, and amino acid conversion. It is essential for cellular activities, and can be produced in small amounts by the body. Choline is also crucial for myelination of neuron axons and acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in muscular movement and memory. It must be obtained from dietary sources for health support. Choline, found in foods like liver, egg yolks, and red meat, is also found in foods lower in saturated fat, such as salmon, cod, tilapia, chicken breast, and legumes. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 assists in energy conversion and neurotransmitter formation. It works with folate, vitamin B12, and vitamin B6 to convert homocysteine to methionine, an amino acid essential for cellular activities. PLP, a form of vitamin B6, is crucial for neurotransmitter synthesis. Overproduction of homocysteine in the blood increases the risk of cognitive decline and dementia in older adults. Vitamin B6 is present in various animal and plant foods like beef liver, tuna, salmon, fortified cereals, chickpeas, poultry, and certain vegetables and fruits like dark leafy greens, bananas, papayas, oranges, and cantaloupe. Vitamin C, a water-soluble vitamin, neutralizes reactive oxygen species, ROS, and recycles antioxidants. It plays a crucial role in collagen, L-carnitine, neurotransmitters, and gene expression regulation. It accumulates in the central nervous system, particularly in brain neurons, where it is required for the neurotransmitter norepinephrine production from dopamine. Brain cells are rich in long-chain polyunsaturated fatty acids, prone to oxidative damage, and require antioxidant nutrients like vitamin C and vitamin E. Vitamin C is a vital nutrient found in citrus fruits like oranges, peppers, strawberries, black currants, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and potatoes. Vitamin E, also known as alpha-tocopherol, is a fat-soluble vitamin that acts as an antioxidant in lipid environments. It is crucial in protecting cell membranes from oxidative damage, especially in nerve cells, which are rich in long-chain polyunsaturated fatty acids, which are prone to oxidative damage. Vitamin E's role is vital in maintaining nerve cell membrane integrity. The evidence suggests that the cognitive decline in individuals with low vitamin E intake, less than 6.1 mg per day, may benefit from increased vitamin E intake through food or supplementation. Vitamin E is found in plant-based oils, nuts, seeds, fruits, and vegetables like wheat germ oil, sunflower seeds, almonds, peanuts, beet greens, spinach, pumpkin, and red bell pepper. Flavonoids. Flavonoids are phytochemicals produced by plants, belonging to the phenolics class. With over 5,000 varieties, hundreds can exist in a single food. Flavonoids modulate cell signaling pathways, improving endothelial function and potentially benefiting cognitive function by influencing blood flow to the brain. They interact with nerve cell membrane receptors, activating signaling pathways that influence synaptic plasticity. Consuming flavonoid-rich foods and beverages, such as cocoa powder and blueberries, has been linked to cognitive benefits and reduced age-related cognitive decline. Flavonoids are present in various fruits and vegetables, including lettuce, tomatoes, onions, kale, apples, grapes, berries, tea, red wine, bananas, blueberries, peaches, grapes, cranberries, raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Resveratrol. Resveratrol, a phytochemical found in plants like peanuts, grapes, red wine, and some berries, is produced to protect against environmental stress. It has been shown in test tubes and animal experiments to stimulate nerve cell and blood vessel formation and inhibit inflammation and oxidative stress in Alzheimer's disease models, mimicking the abnormal accumulation of beta-amyloid protein. Resveratrol is present in various foods like peanuts, pistachios, grapes, red and white wine, blueberries, cranberries, cocoa, and dark chocolate. Soy isoflavones. Isoflavones are phytochemicals produced by plants, belonging to the phytoestrogen class. They have weak estrogenic activity, potentially mimicking or blocking estrogen effects in certain body tissues. Isoflavones are fermented by gut bacteria, resulting in beneficial health effects. In test tube and animal experiments, isoflavones enhance antioxidant enzyme activity, potentially protecting the brain and nerve cells from oxidative damage. Estrogen receptors are located throughout the brain, crucial for learning, memory, and higher-order cognitive functions. Isoflavones, a type of polyphenol found in legumes like chickpeas, fava beans, pistachios, peanuts, soybeans, but soybeans are the richest source of these nutrients. Tea. Tea, an infusion from the Camellia sinensis plant, includes white, green, oolong, and black varieties. It contains bioactive substances like caffeine, fluoride, and flavonoids, which may have health benefits. Tea is rich in catechins, a flavonoid that improves endothelial function, which may indirectly benefit cognitive function by influencing blood flow to the brain. Caffeine, which binds to nerve cell receptors, stimulates the nervous system. Cognitive function is crucial for our daily lives and overall well-being. It allows us to think, reason, form, store, and retrieve memories, maintain attention and focus, understand language and communication, learn and acquire new knowledge, make informed decisions, and regulate emotions. It also contributes to independence and quality of life, allowing us to perform daily tasks, make sound decisions, and engage in social activities. Maintaining cognitive function is essential for brain health and preventing cognitive decline associated with aging and neurodegenerative diseases. Engaging in activities that challenge the brain, such as puzzles, reading, and learning new skills, can promote cognitive health and resilience. Overall, cognitive function is essential for a fulfilling and productive life, and proper care through lifestyle choices, mental stimulation, and medical care is essential.
This channel is only intended to guide about the health benefits of different fruits, vegetables, nuts, various diets, etc., so that these can be adopted in our healthy lifestyle, can help in avoidance or delaying medication for various diseases. This information is no substitute for medical advice. Always consult with your doctor, dietitian, or nutritionist for the final word. Together, we can make a difference. Please watch, like, comment and share this video. Kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.